chicken bread and I'm going to tell you the recipe. First, you'll make the dough of the chicken bread. For that, you need salt, sugar, flour, yeast mixed in warm water, some oil, and milk. You mix them together until it becomes a dough, and then you leave it on for an hour, and it becomes bigger. Then you take the dough out and roll it into a rectangle. Then you take chicken filling. You can add anything. I added mushroom, spinach, and chicken in it. And then I put it in the center, and then I cut the sides with a knife. And then I made it into a pretty looking chicken bread. And then I put some egg with a brush on top and some black seeds. And then I put it in the oven. And then it was cooked and yummy chicken bread to eat. I hope you also try it and like it. Bye!